is Lydia. I've been a market gardener grower for the last 3 seasons, just on a little market garden in between Hay and Mae and Talgarth. I started there as an assistant grower and then managed the business for 2 years with a partnership. Now I've moved to Fferm Farm. I'm on plot 1 and I sort of want to do it all, really. I want to grow a whole range of crops, and both me and my partner are really into agroforestry, so we want to sort of integrate trees in amongst the vegetables in as many ways as possible, basically. So behind me you can see the beginnings of our sort of more bio-intensive market garden. So this will be predominantly no dig, permanent beds, and we'll have more of the high value sort of short season crops that need a bit more management, most of the high value things as well.